CHLOZ from CHLOZ Technologies Limited. I'm here today with one of my good friends, Frank Edoho of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire show. Sir, thank you very much. We're happy to be with you.
Yes, thank you.
You are one of our happy customers.
Yes.
We install for your home, we have installed for your office too.
Yes.
Sir, I want to hear from you. People want to hear from you too. Before installing our system, what were some of the challenges operating a basic generator manually?
The challenge, one of the greatest challenges is where there's no lights. So my wife will say, oh yeah, it's time. Late in the night, the place is dark. Our generator, where we house our generator, is dark. So I'll go and I want to start it manually. And you know, after you've watched one horror film in the afternoon, then you go in the evening, then you are going, you hear some sounds. It's pretty scary. But seriously, the inconvenience, and I'm someone that if I wake up at night to go and change, to go and put on the generator or to come down to change it after they brought lights, I can't sleep till morning. So it was a problem until somebody gave me the idea. They said, hey, there's somebody that can come and install it. All you have to do is press a button if you like, or just put it on auto, and when the light goes off, it starts automatically. And the thing I doubted was the changeover. I said, how is it going to happen? But that mechanism was provided by you guys, and I've been enjoying it. That's why I told you to come to my office to do it for me.
Thank you. So, sir, before you start our system, what were your fears? Will they work? Will they not? What were your fears?
Yeah, like I told you now, the changeover. I said, how is this thing going to change over by itself? I know the one that you could, use electrical circuitry to say, okay, if this current stops, this one can take off and start it. I said, all right, like a relay. But what I was thinking of was the changeover. Well, I saw the mechanism and it changes over even more smoothly than the human being. So yeah, those were my fears.
Because even here, I remember when you called me, you said, well, if you want to say, if you work on that,
yes, because the office is a bit more heavy duty. But you told me that you have systems to take care of it, and we did it. And my wife was saying, no, let's not do it. We don't have money for that. I said, see, let us do this thing. Now she's the one enjoying it more. She holds the key by herself.
Okay, so sir, sure. Do we meet your expectation?
I think you exceeded my expectation. You exceeded my expectation. Apart from the device itself, I mean, your company, when you say you are going to come, very efficient, you come at the time. The day you came, I kept you waiting.
Yeah, sure.
It shows that you stick to time. You have company ethics, and your service delivery. As a matter of fact, sometimes you even call me to ask, how is it performing?
Sure.
Or is there any problem and stuff like that? I have not experienced any problem with that at all.
Sure.
And surely I'm enjoying this one in my office. This is great. I want to commend you, your work, you and your team for good work.
Thank you
so
so much,
we need you to patronize him. He's my friend and he does very good work. Not because he's my friend, but very good service, even after sales service. So it's a great thing.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chile. Thank you.